Step 1. Kill the friction. Your environment is either your sanctuary or your prison. If your phone is the first thing you touch, you've already lost the battle. Clean your digital and physical space. Discipline becomes effortless when distraction is out of reach. Step 2. Command your biology. A weak body creates a wandering mind. Use the Lotus method to exhaust your physical energy through intense training. When your body is pushed to its limit, your mind has no choice but to stay calm and focused. Give your energy a mission, or it will find a distraction. Step 3. Hijack your focus. The moment an urge to quit appears, you must redirect your attention immediately. Don't negotiate with your brain. Stand up, change your environment, and move. Remember, attention is a muscle. Every time you say no to a distraction, you become the master of your fate. Step 4. Protect your foundation. Late nights are the breeding ground for weak decisions. Fatigue destroys willpower, and when you are tired, your discipline vanishes. Protect your sleep with the same intensity you protect your goals. A rested mind is an invincible weapon. Step 5. Rewrite your identity. You cannot leave a vacuum in your life. You must replace your old self. Don't just try to be disciplined. Build something, read, or work toward a vision that scares you. Empty time is a trap that always leads back to destruction. Choose your obsession before your habits choose you.